This is the tutorial of the Flexi 4th Gen 3 wheels mobility scooter. This tutorial is also applicable to Flexi Titan and Flexi Max 3 wheels mobility scooter. Before we start this video, if you are unsure whether a mobility scooter is suitable for you, always consult with your doctor first before using. How to use. Slot the main key into the key ignition and twist to power on the device. The battery and power indicator will light up. To turn on the headlight, push the headlight knob up. To turn off the headlight, push the headlight knob down. Let's start with the controls. The Flexi mobility scooter has 3 speed adjustments. To increase speed mode, push the knob to the right. To decrease speed mode, push the knob to the left. Press on the horn button to sound the horn to alert pedestrians and other road users. There is a switch below the horn button to toggle between forward and reverse drive. This is indicated by the letter F and R respectively. To start moving, turn the grip throttle. To come to a stop, release the grip throttle and pull on the brake levers. Moving on to the brakes. There is an inbuilt brake lock. It prevents the device from slipping while on an uneven surface. To engage the brake lock, pull and hold the brake lever while you pull on the brake lock. Disengage the brake lock, pull and release the brake lever. Features. There are some extra features on the Flexi mobility scooter that you should know about. 4 caster wheels attached to the front and back will prevent imbalance while riding. There are dual suspensions on the front to allow for a smoother ride on bumpy paths. The Flexi mobility scooter has solid honeycomb tires. They do not require pumping of air, nor will it puncture. It has a honeycomb-like interior which can absorb shocks when traveling on uneven or bumpy pathways. There are 2 reflectors on the rear of the device. The retractable back tray allows you to store bulkier items and also functions to prevent toppling. To extend or remove, pull on the key ring and adjust the back tray. Battery and charging. Before charging, make sure the Flexi mobility scooter is turned off. You can pull out the retractable back tray to allow for easier access to the charging port. Remove the protective cap from the charging port and connect the charging cable. Switch on the power supply. A red light indicator will appear on the power brick. A full charge will take between 5 to 7 hours, depending on the battery capacity. When fully charged, the power brick will show a green light indicator. Do not charge the battery for more than 24 hours. When not in use for a long period of time, store the battery in a dry area away from direct sunlight. Remove the charger when charging is completed. You can also detach the battery from the device for direct charging. Insert the battery key to unlock the battery compartment and unplug the power cable. You may now lift up the battery by the handle. Pull it out carefully from the battery tray. To attach the battery, position it back into the battery tray. Lastly, reconnect the power cable, lock the battery compartment lock, and retract the back tray. To fold the Flexi mobility scooter, lift up the latch behind the seat and push the seat down. Next, collapse the handle stem by pushing up the safety lock and pulling the latch down. Then, push down the handle stem and lock it with the locking mechanism. With the Flexi scooter folded, you can now trolley the Flexi by pulling the front handle. How to unfold. First, lift up the handle stem from the locking mechanism and lock the latch in place. To bring the seat back up, simply pull the backrest handle and lift it up till you hear a click sound. Before riding, do watch the PMA pre-ride safety video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below or head down to any of our Mobot outlets.